Hey, what's up guys? It's Pedro here from NoobCoder.com, and in this tutorial I want to talk about nested conditionals. So your if, your else if, and your else statements within another if, else if, or else statement. So that's essentially what a nested statement is, so let's get right into it. I'm going to create a variable and give it a value of 5. And now I just want to test to see if this is an odd number. So how would I do that? I would test its remainder. So I can say if num, if num modulus 2 is equal to 1, that means it's an odd number. Odd number. If it's not an odd number, I can just say it's an even number, right? It's either odd or even. There are no other choices. Even number. Now if I run this, odd number. So what we're getting here is num is 5. How many times does 2 go into 5? 2 times. What are we left with? A remainder of 1. So that's an odd number. So this is all fine and dandy, and what happens if I want more than one condition to be true? Let's say I want the number to be odd, but I also want another condition. Like I want to see if the number is bigger than 10, for instance. How would I do that? It has to be odd and bigger than 10. So I can only put one condition in here. So I can use a nested if statement. So if I make this bigger, remember, for more than one lines of code, you do need these brackets. And I could put an if statement inside an if statement. So I could say if the num is bigger than 10, print out number is bigger than 10. If it's not bigger than 10, else number is not bigger than 10. Control S to save, run it. And you'll see number is not bigger than 10. Why? Because 5 is not bigger than 10. So it goes to the else. Now you can do this indefinitely, and this could get as complicated as you want. So now I have nested conditionals within an if statement, the if and else, but I could also put another nested if statement, and I could do another test here. So I could put another if statement here, I could put another else if statement here, and another else statement. So you could do nested conditionals indefinitely. There are no amount of times. There are no restrictions on the amount that you could do. So that's essentially what I wanted to cover in this tutorial. So I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe.